Hello folks, this is Les Goldstein, President of Personal Financial Strategies located in beautiful Park Ridge, Illinois, with your September 2015 Educational Economic Update. In this month's video, we'll talk about some of the economic events that took place last month and give you some insight into what they might mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end of this video for a required disclosure statement. September was another turbulent month for stocks as uncertainty around global growth and Federal Reserve policies continued to unsettle markets worldwide. Let's take a look at some of last month's major events. Worries about China and global growth dogged markets last month and contributed to the overall volatility. China's economy is lagging, and investors are concerned about how a slowdown there will affect growth around the world, including here in the U.S. Surprising at least a few analysts, the Federal Reserve again declined to raise interest rates at its mid-September meeting. Fed economists decided to hold off, mostly because of concerns about how slowing global economic growth might affect the U.S. economy. Analysts also believe that inflation is mild enough not to require a rate rise right away. The Fed's decision means that central banks are taking a very cautious approach to our economy. However, some analysts worry that holding off risks more trouble for the economy down the line. In a completely separate speech, Federal Chairman Janet Yellen laid out a case for raising interest rates later this year, potentially in the fourth quarter, suggesting that the economy is ready. However, she also emphasized that the decision to raise rates will be dependent upon data that is yet forthcoming, so we'll have to wait and see what the coming weeks will bring. At the end of the month of September, we got another revised estimate of second quarter economic growth. The latest data showed that gross domestic product, GDP, accelerated to 3.9% from the previously reported 3.7%. Higher consumer spending and construction drove the gain. Let's hope that the increased activity will hold for the rest of the third quarter. As we move closer to the holiday shopping season and the end of the year, we expect domestic fundamentals to play a larger role in stock and bond markets. While there's no doubt that the international growth picture is rocky, the U.S. economy is driven largely by domestic demand. We hope that additional clarity from the Fed will give investors the confidence that they need to get back in the game of investing in the stock market for the long term. As always, we're keeping a close eye on economic events and will update our clients as necessary. Though periods of volatility are stressful, they can also provide opportunities for savvy investors looking out for the short-term possibilities that may exist. As financial professionals, our job is to help position our clients for success in all market environments for the long term. That's it for September 2015 and our monthly educational economic update. As always, if you have questions or concerns about what we've discussed, please call our office at 847-268-3670 and speak with me, Les Goldstein, or Robert Hart, or Yvonne Haverland. Once again, this is Les Goldstein with Personal Financial Strategies Incorporated, signing off for the month of September 2015. Please remember that nothing we talk about here is a recommendation for the purchase or the sale of any investment security or insurance product. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation with us, again, call us at 847-268-3670. We'll be happy to help. And now for the required disclosure statement that we read after each monthly update. While we believe that the information presented herein is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any investment security. Please consult us before making any investment decision.